Hi, so today what happened? I ordered a package from Lazada and somehow I don't like it. So I wanted to return. But in Singapore, it's not easy return. So I saw most of online apps provide the return from PopStation. So I choose one of the PopStation near to my house, and today I'll tell you how to return your parcel with PopStation for free. So this is my parcel and I'm going to return. So let me go to the pop station next to my house and tell you all the process. Step 1. Go to your nearest pop station. You can search on Google. Then touch on this screen and you will get these options. I choose return. And then you have to scan the QR code provided by your app from where you want to return. So I have a QR code. I'm scanning, or you can enter this number directly manually. That also you get from the app Shopee or Lazada from where you want to return. So I entered it and then it asked my number. I entered my number and then I got the OTP. I entered OTP. After the OTP, I have to select my parcel size. Mine is small size, so I select small. And then immediately I got the locker number. Mine is C6. You see C6 is open. I put my parcel and then locked it. Just press hard to lock it. And that's it. And after that, you will get a confirmation. You press yes and press SMS as a acknowledgement. That's it. Bye bye.